Okay, so this is the lead code 234th problem, and the problem is palindromic linked list to check whether the given linked list is palindromic or not. Okay, so what are palindrome numbers? So basically one, for example, 1 2 1. So this is a palindrome number. How? Reading this number in forward from forward direction and reading this number from backward direction gives us the same value. Okay, so we have to check whether the given linked list, this given linked list or this given linked list is palindrome or not. So how we could check that? Okay, so let's start. What could be our approach? So the first approach could be, let's create an array and store all the elements, all the nodes value of the linked list to that array, and let's check whether that array is palindromic or not. So let's move to the first approach, this approach, and how to execute this approach. So let's take the first example, this, sorry, let's take the first example, this. Okay, so let's create an array. Okay, let's create an array vector. uh, let's create an array vector int nums, let's say nums. Let's create an array vector int nums. Now we will traverse this array. Okay, sorry, this linked list. So let's say we are at first node. We will read the value of this node and we will store it in nums. Okay, so what will be, how we will do that? So first we will make a temp pointer. We will take a temp pointer. We will take a temp pointer and we will traverse this temp pointer till the last node. So how to traverse that? So we will take a while loop. So while temp not equal to null, while temp not equal to null. Okay, while temp not equal to null, what we will do? We will take that node's value. We will take this node's value and we will store it in the array. So how? So we will do this operation, nums dot push back, nums dot push back, nums dot push back, and temps value, because temp is pointing to the node. So we will take temps value, nums dot push back temps value. Okay, nums dot push back temps value. Now now we will move temp pointer to the next node. So it will move from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here. So this will how it moves, and this will be the last node. Okay, so we will move the temp pointer. So temp will be equal to temp of next. Temp will be equal to temp of next, and we will close the while loop. So from these operations, so when we have performed this operation, what we will get? We have created an array nums, and we have stored the elements as 1 2 2 1, which is present in the linked list, example 1. Okay, till now we have created this. Now how to check whether the given array is palindromic or not? So we will, so what we will do? So we will create, so basically we will do, create another array vector int. Okay, vector int reverse nums. Okay, and we will store the value of this nums. Why we are doing, you will get to know. Okay, so what will be stored in reverse nums? The value of nums. Okay, now now we will reverse this array. Now we will reverse this array. How? Reverse nums dot begin. Okay, comma, reverse nums dot end. We will reverse this array. Why we have reversed this array? Because this array stores the value of this array nums, and if we reverse, we will get 1 2 2 1. and we will compare it with nums, and if these both are same, we will return true, else we will return false. Now what we will do, we will check nums if nums is equal to reverse nums. Okay, so we will return true, we will return true, else return false, return false. Okay, so this would be our approach. So what we have done, first we have traversed this linked list, given linked list, this linked list, we have traversed this linked list. While we are traversing this linked list, we are putting the values of node to the array nums. Okay, so when we have completely traversed the linked list, we have put the array value of linked list to the nums array. Then we are creating another array named as reverse nums, and we are storing the value of nums. Okay, so what value did reverse num contains? This value. Okay, now we are reversing this reverse nums, and we are checking if it is equal to nums. If that is equal, then we will say the given linked list is palindromic, else it is not a palindromic linked list. So this is how our approach works. For the second case, we can see if since this is not a palindromic linked list. How? Because reversing this linked list, we will get 2 1, and these both are not same. So this is how to solve the palindromic linked list. Okay, thank you.